What's going on, guys? In the last video I fitted some upgrades on my FTX Zorro. I fitted the aluminium hubs and knuckles on the front and the aluminium rear hubs as well. Those have been a weak point on this car for me. The standard plastic ones, they would break on impact or slight rollovers. So we're going to test it out and see how it goes now with those metal upgrades. The car has got a 3500 kV motor and a Surpass Hobby 150 amp ESC. I'm running it on 3S. I've also switched the wheels since the last video. These wheels have got a slightly better offset to give the car a bit of a wider stance. I found that it would roll over quite easily, traction rolling with the previous wheels, so let's see how I get on with these. Also testing out today a new mount for my camera. I'm going to try mounting it on my handset. Previously I've used a head cam, so we'll see how that goes as well. Well, we've rolled it. This would probably have broken it before. I think we're okay. On our wheel. Looks like bodies gone a bit haywire. So even though it's not the toughest thing, it is still quite a lot of fun to drive. I think part of it's just like the realism with this style of car. Definitely still a lot of fun to drive. The centre diff means you can get the back end out, slide it around. It's like driving a rally car. Whoa. Nearly went into the tree then. Big crash. Back on our wheels. We're still good, I think. I would say that it's improved it since fitting these alloy upgrades. It's still not going to be tough, this car, but at least now it should be able to take a few hits. Okay, damage report. Looks like we've pulled the screws out the front bumper. I think that's happened before. Those aren't the standard screws. I think that's a common problem on these, but it's not a major issue. Nice jump. That's what this is good for, like just them nice little, you know, the nice little smooth jumps. None of these big jumps with hard landings. Okay, I think that's LVC, guys. Cheers for watching. So yeah, I think those aluminium hubs and steering knuckles were a good upgrade. Should certainly make the car more durable, and for once we're going home with the car still working. And now I've got to go home and clean up this mess. Great.